You know, my mom, the only thing I wanted was to buy her a house. Understand? And I knew I had the capability of doing that.
Yes, sir. How did you?
Young tall through this thing. How many players have bought Abu Mama Wabo Izut? So I knew my situation. My mom besi6 and bekangana umuntu wesilisa ezomsupport. So I know now she was distracted, young tall. So but I wanted to save her. I knew I would save her. So I got a trial at Platinum Stars, and we were in a situation, a kaya, whereby my mom was kicked out. Umuntu wakhe. So they were hiring a house in Foslo. Ngatholi chance owentagama ngiphi chance. Ngithi nayi ichance yokubhayela ioledi idladla no. Uyangithola? Chalo. Mangifika lapha yana bro wami. Ngifika ngamakhokisi adabukile. Mara ngafika ngayenza amasemba. Abo Nathan Paul, Henrico Putes, top players. Ngangithola top players.